Welcome to the Accessible Education Services online tutorial for the Accommodated Test Booking Wizard for instructors. When one or more students completes an accommodated test booking request, you will receive a system-generated email 6 days prior to the test booking date asking you to confirm test details, provide test information, and submit an electronic version of the test. The email will contain a link to the online accommodated test booking system. Please note, it is important to confirm the test details and provide test information right away, even if the test is not yet ready to be submitted. Confirming details and providing information is the electronic equivalent of signing a test request form. Follow the link in the email. You will be directed to the online test booking instructor login page. Log in to the system by entering your Fleming username and password. Click the Login button. Read the information contained on the landing page, noting again that the test does not have to be ready for submission in order to confirm details and provide information related to the test. On the landing page, click the Courses option from the menu tab. All of the courses you are currently teaching will be displayed on this page. Courses are organized by section and class type. For example, lecture, lab, seminar, or other. Any courses for which there is an accommodated exam booking request will be identified with a gold star. You may have to scroll down the page to find courses which have a booking request. To view accommodated test booking requests for a particular course and section, look for the gold star and click on the Test and Exam link to the right of the course section display. Scheduled tests for the selected course will be displayed. Use this page to confirm, change, or update test information such as class time, resources allowed, duration of the test, and other test-related information. This is the electronic equivalent of completing and signing the paper-based test request form and should be done as soon as possible. You can also complete an electronic submission of the test using the Submit File link. Please note, however, that you must confirm the test information before you can submit a test file. You can also use this page to input information about upcoming tests, even if an accommodated request has not been completed by a student. You may want to use this option if, for example, you have a test taking place outside of the scheduled class time. Instructions on how to use this option are provided in another how-to video. Click the Confirm Edit link to confirm and submit information about the test. The test information displayed on this page was entered by the student at the time of their test booking request. First, review the information about the scheduling and duration of the test. Please note any accommodated time extensions will be automatically calculated but are not reflected here. The time displayed here should reflect only the time allowed for all students in the classroom. If the information is incorrect, edit the appropriate fields, then click the Next button. If the information is correct, click the Next button. Review the student information, including the test time, which may now include an adjustment for extra time if appropriate. This list will include all students who have made an accommodated test request booking for this test. Once you have reviewed the list, click the Next button. This page displays the test information form to be completed by the instructor. This form is the electronic equivalent of the instructor section of the paper-based test request form. Complete the form using the fields provided and include additional details as necessary. This page displays the test information form to be completed by the instructor. This form is the electronic equivalent of the instructor section of the paper-based test request form. This page displays the test information form to be completed by the instructor. This form is the electronic equivalent of the instructor section of the paper-based test request form. Complete the form using the fields provided and include additional details as necessary. When the test information section is complete, click the Next button. The test details you confirmed along with the information you entered will be displayed on this page. Review the test information, and if you have the test ready to submit, you can upload it now by using the Select button to browse your documents and upload your file. If you do not have the test ready to submit, you can click the Submit Changes button to confirm the test details and submit the test at a later time. In either case, you must click the Submit Changes button to proceed. Your test submission is now complete. At this point, you can log out or go back to the test listing to confirm another test, or go back to your courses list by clicking on the appropriate button. If you have any questions or need help using the system, please contact the Accessible Education Services Department at your campus.